up, guys? Good morning. This is Captain E3E with a special aircraft review. This is the Airbus A350XWB, or Extended Wide Body. This replication is manufactured by Skymarks, as in the house colors of Airbus Industries in Toulouse, France. This is the A350-900, which I got last year. The launch customer for this aircraft was Qatar Air, and later Singapore Airlines, Cathay Pacific, Finnair were the A350, and now at least two other customers have ordered this aircraft as well: Air France and Lufthansa. Now, the first flight of this aircraft was in 2015. It was in 2014, but it was first planned originally in 2004 until the airlines want to see more, and Singapore Airlines will be using the A350 on the flights from Changi in Singapore for the 18-hour flight from Singapore to Newark, New Jersey by 2019. So now I'll give you a tour of the aircraft. Airbus Industries was formed in 1964 in France, which comprises the countries of England, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. That manufactures the parts for the A350, while for our aircraft that Airbus has manufactured over the past couple of years. This is my second house colors this is my second house colors aircraft from Airbus. I'll give you a little tour from the side. Right there, very nice. I got this from the airplane store in Daytona Beach, Florida, just last year. Now, I'll give you a tour of the aircraft, starting with the PO tubes and stack ports and the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. Bring along the L1 door. Since this is a demonstrator, Airbus A350 XWB, and the other customer for this aircraft, Vietnam Airlines, which flies the A350 from Ho Chi Minh City. Two of the Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the leading edges. Now look at those winglets. Look on how beautiful that is. That is very beautiful. I'm going to bring it back towards the tail section of the aircraft. And A350 on the tail, and Airbus's house colors. The APU and the horizontal stabilizers. Now I'm going to bring you along the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The Airbus tiles and the A350 come up along the port side of the aircraft, come along the wings, right up towards to the Rolls-Royce turbofan engines. Airbus A350 XWB, Airbus in the cockpit, and that's it. The customers for this plane are Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, Cathay Pacific, Air France, Vietnam Airlines, and Lufthansa has ordered the A350, but Delta Airlines had just recently canceled the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The A350 here will replace both the 747-451 and the 767-323 in Delta's fleet. Give you a nice view of the aircraft. Skymarks did an excellent job. Give you a bird's eye view. And that's it. I would just like to say thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, guys, I'll see you around.